Sorry.
Hey, class. Say hey, everybody.
Hey.
All right. So today we are going to review graphs and shapes. So I'm going to have my leaders that are on Zoom with me. They are going to help me with my graphs and with my shapes because I need to review what we learned this year. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys, and I will unmute you when I ask questions so that you guys can answer, okay? Thumbs up if you got it. Awesome. All right, so I'm about to share my screen. It is loading. Yay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so let me put that down. All right, so today is graphs and shapes once it gets to it. Okay, graphs and shapes. Okay, so here is our first graph. We are going to vote as a class, once it gets to it, which water creatures we like. So I have a little heart over this because what is this called right here at the top? Someone raise your hand. What is that called right at the top? Do you remember? You remember, Amina? What is this called at the top? We are talking about water creatures, so this is the what?
Title.
The title. Good job. I almost said it. Yes, that is the title. Let me move this. Good. So at the beginning of sometimes it's at the bottom, sometimes it's on the side, but whatever your graph is about, that's called the title. All right, so I'm going to unmute you guys, and you're going to tell me, we're going to vote to see who's our favorite sea creature, water creature. Okay, so who likes the octopus?
Me.
Raise your hand. Okay. One. So only two people? Okay, what about the starfish? How many people like the starfish? You can vote again. Okay.
Me.
One, Amina. I like the starfish too. So two. And we're gonna add another one. Okay. All right, and this one is let's see if anybody, and Peyton. Awesome. All right, now we're looking at this little dolphin. Raise your hand if you like the dolphin.
Me.
Pepe likes all of them. Ooh,
Me.
Allison and Javier.
Me too.
And Amina. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see which one. Does Jonathan like that one? You could vote on more than one, Jonathan, if you like it. 1 and 5. Okay. All right. Now this one is a seal.
Oh.
That cute seal. Okay. 1.
Me. Me.
2, 3, 4. Let me go see if Jonathan's raising his hand. Did you raise your hand?
Sorry.
Okay, now we have the shark.
Oh, I don't like sharks. Count me up.
But look how cute the shark is. It's really cute.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, Patricia likes the shark.
Okay.
Yeah, Pepe. Okay, so I'm just gonna have one for right now so that we can see different numbers, okay?
Okay.
So now we need to look at our results, okay?
What's the result?
Our results is, let me go ahead and take these away, is how many, is what we ended up with, right? This is the end of our voting. And so now we're going to count and see which one has the most and which one has the least. But first, let's count them and write the number. I know you might know the answer, so don't say it out loud yet.
Yes, ma'am.
The one in orange, that just shows you what the category is. Next to the orange is how many people like it. So how many people like the octopus?
2.
2. Yeah, anybody can shout it out.
Oh.
Okay, how many people liked the, what are these called again? They're called
Starfish.
starfish. How many people like the starfish?
3.
3. Remember, this one, it just shows you, let me make a line.
4. 4.
This, hold on, Peyton. This one just shows you what is going to be on our graph. So over here is how many people liked it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many people like the dolphin?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
All right, now how many people like the seal?
4.
4. Good. And how many people like the shark?
2.
I know 2 people did, but on the graph we only put 1. Good job, Patricia. All right, so now we need to figure out which water creature did the class like the most. What do you think, Jonathan?
The dolphin.
The dolphin. How did you know that?
Have more than all of the other ones.
Because it's longer than the other ones?
Yeah.
Okay. And also 5, is that bigger than the other numbers or smaller than the other numbers?
Bigger.
It's bigger. It's the biggest number. Okay. So they liked the dolphin the best. So let me copy this and get a copy of it. So you guys like the dolphin the best.
Yep.
All right. And which one do we like the least?
The octopus. The octopus. Octopus.
Okay. Amina thinks the octopus. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Hold on. I'm gonna get to you, Jonathan. Do you agree that 2 is the smallest number?
Yeah. No.
Think so? What do you think is the smallest number, Jonathan?
The shark.
The shark. What's the smallest number?
1.
1. That's the smallest number on our chart. Because of course 0 is smaller than that. But we have a 1. One person like that shark. Good job. Great job working together. Great job, Patricia. Great job, Jonathan. All right. So we had 1. So we like the dolphin the most and the shark the least. You guys thought it was a little scary, but that one was a cute shark.
Nah.
All right, we're going to do a different graph now. Oh, let me.
What kind of graph is that?
So this, yes.
Hello, Chris. A shark?
Yeah, that shark was cute.
No.
Let me show you a zoomed in of the shark.
It was a baby shark.
Yeah, look at the baby shark. Baby shark. Okay. All right. So after this, we'll sing After this, we'll sing the song, okay? All right, so on this one, we have to count again to see how many they have of each shape. What is this shape right here? The red one.
Right there.
What is that shape?
A triangle.
Triangle. What is the green shape?
A square.
What is the yellow shape?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. What's the pink one?
A heart.
And what's the blue one?
A circle.
Awesome. All right, so let's count. How many triangles do you see?
I see.
Hold on, I'm going to tell everybody to tell me in just a minute. I'm going to give everybody time to count. All right, how many do you see?
5.
Awesome. So let's count. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
You guys saw that little one. Good job. All right, so now I'm over here. I'm going to color 5 little blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So now I'm going to write that number 5 right underneath our triangles.
There we go.
All right, now we need to count how many squares. Ready, set, go.
3.
How many?
3.
Okay, remember, I'm going to tell you when to shout it out, okay?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I got a little excited.
Yes. Okay, so let's like 3. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Awesome. So we're going to write the number 3 right under our square. All right, so find those rectangles and hold it in your brain.
Miss Flynn, where did you get that marker from?
It's just on my screen. It's really cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, how many are there? 4. Good job.
4.
Ready? Let's go. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. And right underneath, I'm going to write the number 4.
4.
So I hope if you're watching this at home that you are counting with us. All right, now we're going to count the hearts. Go ahead and count the hearts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Count them silently. How many?
6.
6. Let's see. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. I'm gonna write the number 6 underneath here.
Ouch.
I'm going to color them.
You okay, Amina?
1.
No, yeah, I just put my foot under the chair now.
Okay, so we have 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome. All right, now we have to count the last one, which is the circles. Hold it in your brain once you got it. So how many circles?
6.
7.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
Oh.
If you thought 7, good job. All right, ready? Yeah, you'll get it next time. All right, so highlight our boxes. So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. Awesome.
7.
And let me write the number 7 down here. Okay, so now, just like the other one, we need to figure out which one has the most and which one has the least. So we put it in our graph so that you could see which one has the most and which one has the least. So then you hold it in your brain once you got it. Which one has the most, Javier?
This one. That one.
Which one?
Circle.
The what? The what? Say it again, Javier.
The circle.
The circle. How did you know that? How did you know that?
Because the color sun.
Because it's what?
Because it's no white on blue. There's no white on the boxes.
Okay, because all
Because
of the
there's
boxes.
no white. Because there's no white on the boxes.
Awesome. Thank you, Javier. So we had the one that had the most was 7, and that was our circles. Thank you, Javier. Kiss your brain.
Well,
All right, so now I want to know which one has the least. Which one has the least, Peyton?
Does he have the
Say it again. Which one, Peyton?
least have the
Look at the graph, huh?
I said the square
The square. How did you know that?
because it got 3 in there. You color all 3 because it got 3 square.
Okay, awesome. Because there's only 3. And that one's really, and it's also, Javier said his, so yours is really what? If his is tall, yours is what?
Little.
Little or short. Good. All right, let's give her a hand. Ready, guys? Let's give her a hand, and a boom, boom. Nailed it. Good job, Patricia. All right. So we're going to go to the next one.
We're going to the next one.
Going
You
to the next one. All right. So on this one, we've been working on our shapes. And hopefully, if we can figure it out today, you guys are going to get to move these shapes and do something out of it. But if we can't move it, if we can't move it, then you guys will guess what I'm making when I move the shape. Okay? So this one is just an example.
Okay.
I'm only 4 shapes. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you see if you can move the shape?
Me?
Yeah, see if you can move the shapes, Amina.
Okay.
Click it and move it.
Okay. Nope.
No? Okay. Darn. All right.
I don't have a mouse.
So I am going to make something. Ready? Okay. Let's see.
What are you gonna make?
You have to guess. All right, what do you think it is?
A flower.
It is. It's a flower. Good job. And what is this shape right here?
A hexagon.
A hexagon. And what's this one?
A rectangle.
And
A triangle.
good job. All right. Let's do another one. Let's see.
She's making this. What?
A cat.
Oh,
A cat.
it is a cat. Good job.
Yes.
And what shapes did I use?
Two triangles, one circle.
Good job. Way to go, Amina and Jonathan. And Pepe. Thank you
Hey,
for
Pay.
playing. All right, let's see if I can make another one.
What she making this?
All right, this one's a hard one. What do you think it is?
Some paint.
A easel. A easel.
Good job. It is some paint.
Is it an easel?
No, it's painted. It's your blue jeans.
Oh.
Paint.
Yes, good job.
I knew it was pants.
Okay. Now we are going to sort our two-dimensional, wrong one. Our two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. Okay?
Yeah.
2D and 3D shapes. Oh, 2D and 3D.
Yes.
I know that one.
2D and 3D, or two-dimensional and three-dimensional. So our
Sorry. The party hat.
is it a two-dimensional flat shape or a three-dimensional solid?
A 3-dimensional solid.
Awesome. What's the name of this shape, Patricia? Okay, she's talking. Do you remember the name of this shape, Jonathan?
I do.
Oh.
A cone. Good. Yeah, thank you, Amina. You told us which way where to. I'm gonna make sure I ask everybody so they can play too, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. What about this triangle? Is it a flat shape or a three-dimensional solid?
A 2-dimensional.
Solid.
A two-dimensional. Okay, Amina. We have two different ones. Amina says a two-dimensional flat shape, and Patricia says a three-dimensional solid. Why do you think that, Amina?
Because it's a triangle.
Mhm.
And it's real flat.
Flat. Good job. Good job, Pepe. Good job, Amina. Let's give Amina a hand. A hand. And a firecracker. Boom. All right. So remember this one. This one we didn't learn about that much, but we learned about it a little bit. This one is a pyramid. Is this a two-dimensional flat shape or a three-dimensional solid?
I'm going to have to go with a 3-dimensional solid.
Good job. Let's give Amina and Jonathan a hand, and a kiss your brain. So it is a three-dimensional shape. All right. What about this window?
Flat shape.
It's a flat shape because it's the shape of a what?
It's only a window.
It's a window.
Well, what's the shape of the window?
A rectangle.
A rectangle.
A rectangle, but it's also a what?
Square.
A square. So I want you guys to remember in first grade that a square is also a rectangle. Okay?
Yep, it's also a rectangle.
It is. So you guys need to remember that when you get to first grade.
Yes, ma'am.
This one. What's this one? Good job. You guys are so smart. What's the name of the shape?
A cube.
A cube. Good job.
A cube.
All right. What's the name of this shape, Javier?
Pentagon.
Javier, are you there? What's the name of the shape, Patricia? Can you help him out until he comes back? Good job. Is it a two-dimensional flat shape or a three-dimensional solid? Okay, good. Where am I going to put it, Javier? He'll be back soon. Where am I going to put it, Pepe?
I think we can put it right there.
With the flat shapes or the three-dimensional shapes?
The
Flat shape.
Good job. All right, what about this $20 bill? All right, Javier's back.
I know.
What
Flat
shape is
shape.
that, Javier? And where are we going
Flat
to put it?
shape.
Hold on, wait. It's Javier's turn.
Two-dimensional flat shape. Two-dimensional flat shape.
Two-dimensional flat shape.
Good job. It is flat. And you guys have. All right, what about this basketball?
A three-dimensional solid.
Good job, Jonathan.
It's actually a solid.
Good job, Javier. All right, what about this clock?
A flat shape.
It's a flat shape.
The flat shape.
Clorox wipes.
A three-dimensional solid.
Do you remember the name of this shape?
A cylinder.
A cylinder. Good job. What about this one? Basketball. A sphere. Good job, Jonathan. All right. What about this cone? Traffic cone.
A three-dimensional solid.
It is.
Three-dimensional shape.
Good job. All right. What about this Cheez-It?
A two-dimensional flat shape.
Yes, because I just wanted you to think that it was a square.
This pay a lot of money.
What about this soda?
A three-dimensional solid.
Solid.
Awesome. And what is this shape, Pepe?
I think
A what?
okay. There.
A sphere? Okay, not quite. Try again. This one is the sphere, the one that's like a ball. It looks like a ball. So it looks like a soda can.
Looks like a soda can.
Hey,
What shape is it, Pepe? What is it, Peyton?
A cylinder.
A cylinder. Good job. All right, and what about this one? The tissues.
Oh. Yeah.
A three-dimensional solid.
Yes. And
Miss
what's
Flynn,
the shape
I
called?
have a question for the box.
Okay, yes, Javier?
I have a question for the box.
Okay.
I have a question for his shoes.
Okay,
It's
what
a diamond block.
Oh, what's the name of this? What's the name of this shape, Javier?
A diamond block.
No, it's not a diamond block. It's a what, Jonathan?
Cool.
A cube. It's a cube. It does have a really cool design on it. But yeah, that one is still a cube. Good job, you guys. All right.
It's como.
And now here is your homework.
Yes.
Okay, so your homework is you're going to find 5 shapes in your house. So you can use some of my examples, but I know that there's a lot more shapes in your house. So I want you to find 5 shapes and make sure you can name those shapes. And send me a picture. Okay? So that's going to be your homework. So you find 5 shapes. So make sure the shapes that you find, you can name them.
A square.
Hold on. You're going to send me a picture, okay? Okay, send me a picture.
I found the square.
What's one thing that you have in your house that's one of the shapes that we've been learning about?
I have a square.
Well, what is the item?
It's a box.
A box? Well, is a box a square? A box is a what?
It's not a box this closed. It's a box this open.
Okay. Well, is a box a flat shape, 3-dimensional shape?
Flat shape.
Okay. What do you think, Patricia?
A door. A door.
Good. Oh yes, a door is a good one. Is the door a flat shape or a 3-dimensional shape? It's what? Javier, is the door what shape is the door?
Door. Huh?
What shape is it? What's the name of the shape, Javier?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. All right, so one more idea. Do you have another idea, Patricia?
I have a rectangle, Mommy.
I have one.
Money? Okay. All right, well,
I have one.
hold on. I'm going to end the video, and you guys are still going to be on. So I'm going to stop sharing. All right, so you guys get to say goodbye to the class. Bye, class.
Bye.
See you guys later.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye, class.
Bye.
Send me your work in a picture or a video. And if it's a video, then you get more points. So I hope to see your work very soon. And I will talk to you guys watching the video later.